In this video, I'll show you how to build a CRM in Base44. Start by signing into your Base44 account and click Create New App. Next, open the AI prompt box and describe the CRM you want to build. Type a prompt like, build a CRM for managing customers, leads, deals, tasks, and notes. Include a dashboard, customer profiles, deal pipeline, contact management, and search functionality, ****. After that, submit the prompt and wait while Base44 generates your application. Now review the generated CRM. Test the navigation and make sure the dashboard, customer records, and deal pipeline have been created correctly. Next, customize the data structure if needed. Add or edit fields such as customer name, company, email, phone number, deal value, deal stage, next follow-up date, and notes. After that, create additional pages if your CRM needs features like reports, activity history, or team management. Now test the workflow by creating a new customer, adding a deal, updating its stage, assigning a task, and saving a note to confirm everything works as expected. Next, if your CRM needs user accounts, open the project settings and enable authentication so each user can securely access the application. Finally, click Publish to deploy your CRM and share it with your team using the live application link. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a CRM in Base44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.